Hey guys, so day 6, let's talk a little bit about your Shakeology and how you're making it. What recipes are you using when you're looking at the recipe calendar that you got with your Shakeology packets? And you're using this for breakfast or for any meal, not for a snack. Try to look for the recipes that have more ingredients in it. If you're using a recipe that just uses water or juice and water and nothing else, that's more of like a snack Shakeology and won't give you as much or fill you up as much as using one of the recipes that has more ingredients in it. You also want to look at the amount of liquid you're putting in. Most recipes call for 8 ounces. Sometimes that's too thick or you want a little bit more volume. A lot of times I will put 10 ounces of liquid in with mine and then maybe put in a little bit more than a cup of ice to make it thick. I always like to try to get my cup so that it's almost the whole way full, like that. And that will help you definitely replace your meal and help you feel fuller longer. That's about it that I can think of. Like I said, my favorite recipes are the ones that have a lot of the ingredients. Study the calendar of recipes. Choose a couple days ahead of time what you're going to make so that you will have those ingredients on hand. And make sure that if you're not getting enough volume-wise out, add a little bit more liquid, add a little bit more ice, and you should be fine. Let me know if you have any problems with that. And why don't you post today what your favorite Shakeology recipe has been so far? This is day 6. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.